Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create games with Google Gemini. So this is a very interesting feature that had been recently introduced in Google Gemini, that you can be able to create games directly and then you can have it to your content. So we can do that with the simple prompt that you can just type. So assuming you access your Gemini by going to gemini.google.com, of course you have to log in with your account. Once you're here, you can come to a new chat. You can specify the type of game that you want to play. Create an interactive Leo's launch game and make it as simple as possible. Very colorful with the elements. Okay, so once you select this, you can come to the tools and make sure you specify canvas, and you can use the thinking or the fast mode. Let's go with the thinking mode. We can just go ahead, click on submit, and let's give it some seconds, and Gemini is going to create a very simple interactive game that you can easily play on the screen. Alright, so you can be able to see the game right now, and we can play the game directly, start the game, and you can be able to see, you can collect points. And let's see if we do anything. Let's see, you can see the points. Okay, all right, so very easily you can see we can even adjust the game. Okay, or no, final score is 18, so you can play again if you're interested. So you can see the code as well that have created this game for you. Alternatively, you can decide to share this game with people. You can copy the content, or you can click on share and copy this link and share with people, and anyone you shared this with can be able to play the game. So let's see what I'm talking about. Just sharing this link with someone, he can be able to play this game directly. Okay, so you can say continue and you'll be able to have access, play the game once you click on start the game. So this is from a third party account. Click on start the game and you can see he is playing it directly. Right, very nice and very interesting. Right, so this is one way. We can also make it faster and give more colorful nature to the game if you are interested. Yeah, so you can see no score 18 and 16. You can share also on these social media platforms, either LinkedIn, Facebook, X, or Reddit. You can go ahead and share directly on those platforms as well. Let's try one more game. For example, let's say a new chat, and then let's go to, can you create a chess game, make it interactive and easy to play. Okay, you can come to tools again, go to canvas, then select in here and you use the thinking mode, and then you can go ahead and send. This is also going to create a chess game for you very easily. You can see the process, you can see the coding that it is using to write, and in a matter of seconds you will have access to your game. And now it is previewing the results, so you'll be able to see the results directly. So you can see you now have your board that you can easily play a game, new game, or undo things. You can also play directly. You can see as you play, it is going to play as well. Okay, and you can undo anything, can play things very easily. You can be able to see the black tone to move. Okay, so you can work together, maybe play with someone. You can always go back to a new game and undo things very easily. So this is also equally interactive. Let's try one more game. Assuming I wanted to create a Mario game. Okay, a simple Mario game for me to play on my computer. Mario is a very old game that you know how to play. It's very interesting. So it's going to create Mario game for me, and let's see the result after some seconds. And you can see right now it is updating the features. Yeah, you can see, I think this is much better because it looks like Mario. Okay, you can try. Right, I think this looks like Mario game because it is much better. You can see also you can play it, and easily you can hit some coins and come down and you can move and then probably jump and kill yourself. Very interesting. Yeah, so that's the idea, to just get it, that it's possible to create a game and share with people, and you can ask the Mario's Gemini's features as well. So just go ahead, explore and see how you can use Google Gemini to create a very interesting game that you can play and enjoy for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.